Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Pasquini Livia 90 here. So this machine mostly came in up, but I also found that it needed a pressure stat, so I replaced this one here, along with the group head gasket, which you can see here. It's in pieces because it was a bit brittle. And then we have the group head screen right here. Then I descaled the boiler, flushed the group head here with coffee cleaner, deep cleaned the steam on with milk cleaner, and then I soaked the portafilter with coffee cleaner, and then just wiped down all the external parts of the machine to remove any coffee residue. So now I'm just going to pull a shot to show you that everything is working. This is just our test copy, so it's not going to be the perfect shot, but it's just to show you that the machine does work. Alright. It's a bit fast, but you can see. And we have the hot water. And the steam. That's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.